AfTA is supposed to be the vehicle that promotes intra-African trade. And the implementation agreement is something that a number of countries, about 44 countries, have signed onto. So at the retreat, the participants looked at ways of implementing the AfTA agreement. Indeed, they came to a conclusion that implementing AfTA has great value in promoting cross-border trade within the African continent. If we focus a lot on the implementation of AfTA, it will lead to a situation where there will be an elimination of both tariff and non-tariff barriers, and it will also provide access to the market that Africa provides. Africa, as you know, has 1.3 billion in terms of population, and has a GDP, a combined GDP of 3.4 trillion.